In today's video, I'll show you how to add a template to a Miro board. Whether you're brainstorming, planning or collaborating with a team, templates can save you time and give your workspace a clear structure. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Miro tutorials that make your workflow easier. Let's begin by opening your Miro dashboard, your central hub where all your boards live. Here, you will see any projects you've already created. To add a template, start by clicking the Create New button. From the drop-down menu, choose Explore Templates. This opens the template picker, where Miro provides a wide range of professionally designed layouts. From brainstorming maps and customer journey boards to strategic planning and agile workflow templates. Browse through the available categories and find one that best fits your project. Once you found a template you like, click on it to preview it. You'll see its structure, including pre-filled sections, sticky notes, or visual elements. If it feels right for your project, click Use Template. Miro will now open a new board with that template already loaded. This board is fully customizable. You can add, move, or delete any elements to make it perfectly match your goals. Think of it as your personal digital canvas where you can shape ideas freely while still maintaining a professional layout. Once you've customized the board, consider saving it for future use. You can duplicate this setup later to keep your workflow consistent and speed up future projects. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a template in Miro. Using templates not only saves time, but also helps you maintain focus and structure across your projects. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more quick and easy Miro guides.